Hi everyone. So today I wanted to do a video on just trying to come back and stay on track. Last week Florida was threatened with a hurricane, and unfortunately it hit the Bahamas, and we are in prayers for them, of course, but I have to say that it was very stressful for us because we were under this tornado watch, hurricane watch, everything watch. I think mostly everyone spent their whole entire week in their house eating snacks. So I lost track and I needed to get back on track. So today I went for a walk, 45 minutes, and then I speed walk. Excuse me, I'm drying my eyes because the sweat is running down my eyes and it's burning. But I just wanted to talk about it because I know that a lot of times, we lose track and it's hard for us to get back. And I was feeling so guilty. I want to say that out of the 3-4 pounds that I've lost in the last 3 weeks, I gained back the 3 pounds. So I'm not ashamed because I know that I'm going to get back on track and I'm going to lose it. So I wanted to share that just to inspire anyone that, like me, full of track, but it's all about getting back on. A journey is what it is. A journey is a journey of just, failing, but then getting back up and, working towards succeeding and never giving up. So I hope that whoever's listening to this today doesn't give up and don't think that, it's just supposed to be this perfect journey. I think that, when we look at other people's, social media, and it seems like they're in this perfect workout fit world, and a lot of times they don't talk about how, they fall off track. It's important to talk about those days because they're real. And it helps anyone get inspired to just get back up and know that, don't give up, just get back up and do it. So today I went for a walk and I will be meal prepping today for the next week. And I am going to pray and ask God to give me strength, because usually when you get off track, it's hard to get back on track. It really, truly is. So I'm hoping that I'm able to just pray this one through. I know that fasting is going to help me, and coffee in the morning. So those are going to be definitely what I'm going to add. I'm going to drink some tea when I first get up and start taking my supplements, just so that it can help me throughout the day. And the first couple of days are tough, but then it gets easy because then your body start just kind of detoxing all that stuff that you've been eating that you're not supposed to. All that carbs and sugar, those bad carbs and stuff like that. So I know that I'll get back on track. So I just wanted to share that, and if you guys have any comments, any suggestions, of course, just share this or comment, and don't forget to subscribe.